Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Silent. Today I will share with you about a new exchange named as Bybit. I will share the details here, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos and you will be able to update it about the videos too. So without wasting your time, I will review the Bybit exchange. As you know about the Bybit, it is the exchange where you can go for 24 by 7 and you can go for trades, tools, finance and more rewards hub, etc. I will share the main functions here, and here they are going for the Bybit Tradify trading. Like this is the first exchange which is going to do the trade of Tradify options, where you can be able to do trade like gold, Apple by the USDT instead of USD. So you can see, I will share that you will go for the forex, CFD, metal, oil indices and stocks, etc. For that, in it you can go for that. First of all, you have to create your account on it. For creating account, you have to select your country, you have to give your email, mobile number, anyone you are using. Even you can go for the Google or the Apple ID for the sign up. You can see they are seize your next trading opportunity with the Bybit. Like it is in the 241 countries, they have token listed like 22 145. They have also 36B plus trading volume, and register users are given. You can just go and give you the email and refer code. It's up to you that which you are going to give it. I will give the code in my video description, so if you want it you can go for that. So in that way you can go register here. So here is the Bybit Tradify trading app. You can even go for their app. You can download the app for the Apple or users, or you can even use for the Android one too. So you can see the forex experience, top tier liquidity, competitive fees and dedicated 24 by 7 customer support. You can go and register here. For the register, you can see you have to touch on it. You can go and log in here. So furthermore, you can see the copy trading option. You can do copy trading here. You can see the user guide. You can go for the funding log here. So you can see it here. Their ongoing event is going here, which is the limited time offer trade stock, and indices with a zero fees on bit. You can see on Bybit Tradify where this event ends in 13 days. So go and join so that you cannot be able to miss it. They have the zero fees, and you can even go and join it here. So it will open here. I will share that with you. You can see there all other ongoing vouchers are given. You can be a part of their vouchers, and you can see the announcement here, the recommended market, that you can go for the gold over US dollars here. So its market at that time is closed, but you can see that they have the Tesla, CRCL, and you can see Apple, Amazon, and furthermore they are given. It is the first exchange which is introducing MT5 here. You can see you can enjoy unmatched privileges on Bybit Tradify. Like you can sign up, you can make a deposit, and you can go for that. You can see they have a leverage. You can see tight spreads and 100. You can see you have to do sign up. For the sign up, you will get 5050 USDT. So I will just go and log in here. You can see my ID here. You can go for that. You for starting that, you can see it is a limited time offer trade stock, and it's a zero fee on Bybit. You can see it is the option is given for how to participate. You can see no registration is required. You can go for that. You have to deposit now. For deposit, you can see you will go for buy with it. You can see click on buy. You can buy USDT here by that, or you can sell by fiat too. Even though you can go for the deposit by you can see there is the option for the buy deposit is given. You have to deposit here. For that, you have to select the USDT or anyone you are using, like USDT or anyone you are using. You can choose the chain. After doing that, you can easily be able to go for that it here. So I will just refresh the page so that I will go for that. You can see you can apply for that. I will just click on it, and you can go. After doing deposit, you have to verify your identity, and you can easily be able to work on it. So in that way you can easily go and do that. Their limited offer, their details are going on. I share their details with you, and you can go for that. So So I share the details about the Tradify. You can go for the mobile too. You can go for Tradify tools in mobile, as you can see there. So it is all going on. So you can see the tutorial from here. For more information, you can get a lot of things here. I already show you the sign up, make deposit option. You can see this your options after doing the deposit, all the details share I share with you all about here. So it is all that. So if you like the video, give thumbs up, and this video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice, so do your own research before investing or going in it. It's all the risky things. So if you like the video, give thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comment area. Thank you so much for watching.